Okay, number 38. The load of a Y-connected transformer are IA, IB, and IC. What is the neutral current? The neutral current is simply equal to IA plus IB plus IC. Eh, kung may available na IAO, 3 times IAO. So, i-add lang natin yung tatlong yan, 10 angle negative 30 degrees. Then, plus 12 angle 215 degrees. Then, plus 15 angle 82 degrees. So, parang yan yung October 1998. This is a very memorable date for me because that was my board exam. Our board exam pala. Nag-review ako, July na ata yun, August. Kasi walang pera, walang datong. Kasi pag left turn mo sa Manila, pera. Right turn, pera. Pag abante mo, pera. Kaya medyo nagtipid. 10 angle negative 30 plus 12 angle 215 plus 15 angle 82. So, shift 2, 3. So, 3.11 angle 72.83. Ganyan, drop na natin yung ano. So, letter D. Tsaka kung dito talaga sa atin, matututukan talaga. Yung nga lang, naka-online kasi tayo. Pero ganito pa rin yung setup nun. May lecture and then quiz. Lecture, quiz. Ginawa lang natin online. So, napunta kayo sa magandang review center. May pakialam sa inyo. Anyway, see you soon sa face-to-face. Yung mga magpe-face-to-face. So, 39. For the following phase currents, what is the positive sequence for phase C? So, IC1. Solve muna natin yung IA1. Ano ulit yung formula? 1/3. Ito, sulat-sulat nyo lang. Nagbibigay sila sa board exam ng ganito. May binigay sila ulit nung September. So, this will be IA plus AIB plus A squared IC. Then, yung positive sequence, kung maalala nyo yung positive natin na doon sa una, so, nandito yung reference, IA1. Nandito yung IB1. Then, nandito yung IC1. Para makuha natin yung IC1, A times IA1. Pero kunin muna natin yung IA1. Kasi ito, 120 degrees. Yung 1 angle 120 degrees, equivalent yan sa A. So, 1/3 of IA, 34.63. Then plus A, 1 angle 120 degrees times negative 10 minus J, 17.32. Yun yung value ng IB doon. Then plus A squared is 1 angle 240 degrees. Then times negative 10 plus J, 17.32. Then IA1 is equivalent to 1/3 times compute 34.63 plus 1 angle 120 times negative 10 minus 17.32 J plus 1 angle 240 times negative 10 plus 17.32 J. Yung ibang school, o sa amin nun, di na namin ito natakal eh. Wala siyang 24.876. So what is IC1? So mag-add tayo, magmumultiply tayo ng A, which is 1 angle 120 degrees. So times 1 angle 120 degrees. So negative 12. Paano ako magkopya? Yan. So negative 12 plus 21.54. Negative 12 plus. Negative 12 plus. Nahanap ko na siya. Letter C. Tama ba? Negative, positive. Diyan, di na natin alam kung may between kung lang siya to yung IA at saka BA. So, alam natin na positive yung real part. Pero pag dyan, mayroon lang negative na real part. IC1. Okay. Depende sa mga resulting currents. Unbalanced na yan. So, number 40. So, a Y-connected three-phase system has the following sequence components. So, ang tinatanong ay yung neutral wire current. Ano na ulit yan? 3 times IAO. So, that will be 3 times 12.5 angle 30 degrees. 37.5 angle 60 degrees. Huwag nyo na pahirapan sarili nyo. Mayroon namang IAO. Pwede nyo pang isolve yung IA, IB, IC, but still, you will arrive to 3 times IAO. Wala nang hirap pa na mga formulas na binigay. Sa board exam, yan lang. Mga 1/3 times IA plus I1, IB plus IC. IA1, IA2. Okay? Number 41, given the following sets of symmetrical components, determine the phase current for IB. So yung IB, according to Fortes theorem, is equal to the positive, negative, and zero sequence. IBO. So, nandito yung IA1, nandito yung IB1, nandito yung IC1. IB1 is, pag mineasure natin dyan, pag ganito, 240. Kaya siya A squared IA1. Then, yung negative naman, this is IA2. Papalit yung IA at yung IC at saka IB. So, nandito yung IC2. Nandito yung IB2. So, IB2 with respect to IA2, pag measure natin yung angle na yan, 120 degrees. So, A times IA2. Okay, so IB1, that will be A squared IA1 plus IB2 in terms of IA2 is A IA2. Yung IBO, ICO, they are all the same. They have the same direction, magnitude. So ito, papalitan na ng IAO. Wala nang IA operator. Substituting, we have these values. Then plus 1 angle negative 45 degrees. Yung mga nasa choices, naka-rectangular, diretso. 1 angle 240. times 1 angle 75 plus 1 angle 120 times 1 angle 15 plus 1 angle negative 45. Parang may maling akong napindot. Ay, meron. Wait eh. Phase current. Sa dulo na, nagkamali pa. 1 angle 120 times 1 angle 15 plus 1 angle negative 45. Oh. Ah, baliktad. IAO pala yun. IAO. 15. IA2 negative 45. Hindi, baliktad pala. Akala ko IA1, IA2, IAO. Yung IAO, 1 angle 75. Ayan, so sobrang excited. Gusto ko nang kumain ng lunch. Okay, 1 angle 240 times 1 angle 15 plus 1 angle 120 times 1 angle negative 45 plus 1 angle 75. 0.259 plus J 0.966. Para kamukha siya dito. Yung amperes yan. Kasi current naman yan. Ang unit, amperes. So yung positive, negative, may isa atang binigay na ganito last board exam. Then, zero sequence. Then yung mga iba, kung na siya, hindi natin napag-aralan. Pero bibigay ko na lang yung pag nag-refresher. 42, the phase currents of a three-phase system are blank. What is the zero sequence current? Nasaan yung choices? Nandun. So, ang tinatanong zero sequence, that is IAO. Pare-parehas lang naman yan. Kaya hindi nakalagay dyan kung phase A ba, phase B, or phase C. So, 1/3 of IA plus IB plus IC. So, 1 divided by 3 times, i-add lang natin lahat yung given, 100 plus 80 angle 240 plus 91.8 angle 130.9. So, hindi lahat kailangan isulat dito kasi nandun, sayang yung oras nyo na sulat. Nandiyan naman na kayong kailangan nyo. So, shift 2, 3. So, almost 0. 0.0496 something. Then, angle 134. Alin ang pipiliin nyo dyan? So, this is almost equal to 0. Bilis na pag may complex yung calculator. Pag walang complex, ay mahirapan. Okay, number 43. One conductor of a three-phase line is open, then the current flowing to the delta connected load through line A is 20 amperes. With the current flowing line A as the reference, and assuming that line C is open, what is the zero sequence current of phase B? So delta line C is open. So we have here line B. So, dito yung IA. Ang sabi dyan, 20 amperes at saka reference. So IA is 20 angle 0 degrees. Then mag-split dyan, then mag-join dito. So ito yung IA. Pero yung direction ng IB dapat pa ganun. So negative of IA. So IA is equal to 20 angle 0 degrees. Yung value ng IB is equal to negative IA. 20 angle 180 degrees. Then IC, open, 0. Okay. So 0 yan. Tinatanong zero sequence. IAO. So 1/3 of IA plus IB equal to 0. Pero yung ibang question dyan na binigay din sa board exam, actually ito nandun kay Stevenson. So, kumukuha din sila doon. Yung ganito na configuration ng transmission line, kinuha din nila doon. Ano daw yung GMR niyan? Okay, so 0 yan. Anyway, no need to gather all those books. Mga halos na pasadaan naman na natin. Nakakuha naman na yan, nakakompile. Halos. Sa mga discussions natin. Okay, may question? O wait lang ha, isa-isa lang. Hindi zero sequence ay 0. Depende yan. Nagkataon lang yan dyan. So ito yung 41. Wow, 36 at saka 37. 36. 37. 27. 7. 28. 32. 38. 25, 16, 16, 25, 32, 31, 15, 16, 17, 11,